So welcome to your Project 4 introduction. In this project and chapter, we're going to build a digital marketing agency landing page, and we're going to use Less, which is a CSS preprocessor that's extremely similar to Sass, which we used back in chapter 2. So it'll be a one-page theme or template, but it's going to have a menu at the top where you click a link and it'll scroll you down to that area. So it'll be basically one long page, and we're going to have an interactive menu that will have that effect. It'll scroll down to that part of the page. All right, so we're going to be using Less. It's going to be a single page template, as I just said, scroll down effect. We'll be using Font Awesome, which will allow us to use a bunch of different icons if we want. Pretty much this very similar to the Glyphicons with Bootstrap, but we'll have more options. The Jumbotron Showcase, button classes and icons, and this will be responsive. We'll be using media queries as well. So we have the project introduction, and then we're going to set up our Less environment, and this includes installing Less and a program to compile our files, which will be called WinLess, and that's actually going to be a Windows program. So if you're using a Mac or Linux, you'll just have to find something similar that'll compile Less files, and just Google Less compiler and you'll find a bunch of options. Section 3 will be the HTML markup, so that'll be basically one long page with different subpages. And section 4 will be doing the nav bar and the intro CSS, which is basically the front page. We'll have a big image and some content. And then section 5 will be each page section, and then section 6 will do the scrolling and navbar effects. And those are going to take a little bit of jQuery, but nothing too big. So if you don't know jQuery or JavaScript, don't worry about it. It's not that difficult. So you'll learn how to build a single page website with menu scrolling effects. We'll set up and use the Less preprocessor, and we'll do some simple jQuery JavaScript coding. Okay, so that's it for this chapter. Let's get started, and I will see you in the next video.